Hey there everyone, Atesh here, back again with another video and welcome to this update video. Basically, we want to give you some updates about our open source project, which is DevUI. And now we are on to a better stage to making sure that our Git repository is also open very soon for other people to contribute. And we are very soon on the verge that we are going to close our documentation with giving you the instruction of how you can contribute in the world of open source with this project. Now, this project has a really simple goal from the day one. We want to keep it free, we want to keep it open source, and we want to solve only one problem, that the front end should look beautiful out of the box without doing too much of into it. And people can just come onto this web page, can design any application, any project, maybe internship project or a production grade project just out of the box, and they can customize this as well. This has a lot of potential in the future, which we'll be working through. So let me show you what all updates we have been pushed and in what direction we are moving forward. So as you can see, this has nothing on the front page. Everything happened inside the components section. And very soon I'll introduce you the videos as well, that how you can integrate it with the core HTML, with the React, with the Next.js and all of that. That videos are also coming in. So notice here we have this application UI and all these things were previously there. These are the components, the core components, like you want a CTA, click-through actions. These are some basic. Now what we're also doing is we have introduced this pages section where we'll be pushing a lot more code. Using these components that we have, now we are moving into the direction that you can have out of the box beautiful pages which are directly usable. So we'll be categorizing them very soon. For example, pages for the blogs, pages for e-commerce application, maybe a hotel booking system. So step by step, all the pages will be there. All you got to do is inject them in React or just work on your backend and just use them out of the box. So this is the goal that we have. Not only that, for example, let's just say this is the blog page you like. You can just click on view component and we have built the navigation bar, really basic, some resources, search bar, so that you can focus directly on writing the logic of the search bar. And we have this categorization as well, most recent, and you can have out of the box. All you got to do is use all of them or remove all of them and just loop through your values that are coming up to the database, some pagination, everything. So it's out of the box. Yes, definitely there are some things which we need to work out a little bit on the dark mode, light mode. Minor tweaks are there, which can be helped by taking the help from the community. But also what you'll notice is something new, which is in the code section. We do have this code of HTML and React, but now we are giving you the fork on code sandbox and stack blitz as well. A lot of you have been mentioning this, that we are facing some difficulties on see that how this will work out of the box and stuff. So you can just go on to the code sandbox or stack blitz. Both of them are really famous. And out of the box, you can see, I'll just reload this one. So probably this one is, so this one is loading up. Yes, we definitely need to check out some of the bugs that we are facing. So probably this one is still lagging it. We'll fix this, no worries. But the stack blitz is still working. So this is how it gets. And out of the box, you can make any changes that you like. Definitely a little bit work is required and we are constantly working on it to make it really the best and amazing page and the basic project that we can have. As you can see, this one is working as a code sandbox. This one is working in the stack blitz as well. And you can see both of them. Now, all you got to do is just copy paste this HTML into your Tailwind application. There is only one dependency. You need to have this Tailwind and that's all. And there we go. So now you can have the web page out of the box, which looks beautiful, can do a lot of things, and you can have the browser-based compatibility. So yes, this looks beautiful on all web pages. And yes, I know, I understand there is a lot of work that we need to do. But with every single update, there is nothing which is perfect on day one. This one is way better what we imagined on the day one. It is going in a nice direction, and very soon you'll see more pages which are categorized better and which will help you to build more projects without worrying too much about the front end part of it or does it look beautiful or not. And yes, there's a lot more fancy updates that I'll keep giving you on the YouTube. So make sure you use DevUI as the next project that you're building. Give it a try, give us some feedback. We'll definitely try to improve it. And very soon we'll open this up for the entire world. And there will be a guidelines that how you can contribute in this project. And we'll be happy to take all of that. So good and exciting update. Hope you are enjoying this. Hit that subscribe. This gives me a lot of motivation. And I'll surely catch you up in the next video.